Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying videos and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. I started the best online earning website series and I suggest 10 sites or app that's very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel, watch the video till the end for whole information. This is the 10th website of earning online which I can suggest. If you first time see this video, please see the whole video of these series, link in I button. The series of 10 websites of earning is complete. This is the final video of the series. Please subscribe to my channel and I make more videos for you. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is ONESPACE? ONESPACE gives a setup of devices to help CPG brands win top situation on the computerized rack. Incorporate your item content by coordinating data from numerous frameworks and spreadsheets into a solitary wellspring of truth. For visiting on the ONESPACE website, link in the description box. ONESPACE is looking for qualified candidates for the accompanying positions. In the event that you don't see a place that accommodates your range of abilities, present your application, and we'll get in touch with you if and whenever a pertinent open door opens up. How would I get paid for my work on Workstation? ONESPACE issues installments by means of PayPal. Before you'll have the option to present any chip away at Workstation, you'll have to associate a checked PayPal account. Your installments from ONESPACE will be straightforwardly kept into that account. If you want to create PayPal account, link in the description box, check out them. Undertaking training overview. A few tasks on ONESPACE Workstation have a component called task preparing. Task preparing lets specialists who are new to explicit tasks get expanded preparing and input from confided-in commentators. How can it work? On the off chance that you are new to a task that has task preparing empowered, you may have the option to submit each assignment in turn before your work is looked into. Each errand will be sent to our confided-in group of analysts for mindful and intensive criticism. You will graduate out of trainee and be allowed beginner admittance to the task once you arrive at the base acknowledgement rate required. The rules for passing errand preparing is distinctive for every task and depends on the trouble and subjectivity of the work required. ONESPACE fraud alerts. ONESPACE highly esteems giving specialists a confided-in approach to discover consistent work while keeping up an adaptable way of life. We are likewise dedicated to paying consultants rapidly by giving day-by-day installments for finished and endorsed work. At times, nonetheless, the trust and validity we've endeavored to set up are misused by people not related to the ONESPACE brand. I hope you really enjoy the series of earning website that I suggest to you. This is really helpful to your online making money journey. Thanks for your appreciation, and if you think I suggest more earning app and websites, subscribe my channel and hit the like button and share to your friend. Thanks, good luck.